Hello everyone, welcome to tutorial 2 of the figg integrated Excel product. We are now within the folder that I've edited the chart of accounts for this tutorial purpose, and I've completed a July cash book to show you how to use the cash book and to show you how the integration works. I edited the chart of accounts in the March cash book as I showed you in tutorial 1, and I copied it over into the July business cash book that I'm going to open now and we can take a look at. You will notice that I've edited the personal bank accounts with examples of types of bank accounts that you would have in your personal name that you would use for your business expenses, and there's examples of bank accounts that you can use that's in your personal name for your cash books in the loan account section. And I've edited to cater for a personal check account, 3 credit cards, a personal loan account, 2 bond accounts, and then I've edited some accounts to cater for personal insurance that you as a small business person could have, so that we can keep track of our personal expenses at the same time as we keep track of our business expenses. I haven't done much editing in the sales and cost of sales and other income and expense accounts. I've mostly left it as the standard chart of accounts that comes with the product. The leases I personalized in terms of vehicles that the business owns and leases. So most of the editing I've done within the loan account section to suit your personal lifestyle. The chart of accounts worksheet is linked to all the worksheets within the integrated product, and as you edit the chart of accounts, it will automatically update all the other Excel files and worksheets within the product to make all those files your own. So let's pop over now to the cash book worksheets within this file, and the cash books are housed in worksheet A of each of the month's files. Left click on worksheet A, and there we have our cash books. The process to follow to get your cash books to look like this is that you will import your bank statements, which I'll show you now how to do. You will allocate your VAT category, which I'll train you on how to do. And you will allocate your account code and description, which I'll also train you how to do. And that is all that you will need to do to get your integrated product to work. I'll show you the checks that you need to do to make sure that you've done everything correctly, for it to update your income statement, trial balance, balance sheet and cash flow statement accurately. For now, I'm going to show you the import bank statement functionality. And to do that, I'm going to go into the August cash book just to show you how to import bank statements. So we will open another instance of Excel because we already have a figg file open. And we will now go and look for the August cash book within this integrated product. File, open. It's within the example V5 license integrated product, and we'll open the August cash book, go to the A worksheet, and there we have a blank cash book. To import your bank statements, you will simply left click on import bank statement, and then you will locate the Excel file that you've downloaded from your internet banking. And when you download from your internet banking, you will select the CSV format, which will then save it in the Excel format. So we'll left click on import bank statement and go and find a bank statement to use in this example. Do you want to import the bank statement from an Excel file? Left click on yes. Select the bank account that you would like to import. Now you will see that as we've edited the chart of accounts, bank accounts, it will automatically update the selection that you have to import bank statements into your cash book. So let's go and select the bank account for business. Left click on that drop down selection, left click on OK. Please select the Excel file containing the bank statement, left click on OK, and go and find the bank statement that you've saved from your internet banking. I've prepared some examples of bank statements, and you will see that I've named them the same numbers as the bank accounts within the figg Excel product. So we are looking for the bank account business 7,025 and the bank statement is corresponding with that number 7025. We'll open that file. Message may pop up on your computer. Some of the functionality of your Excel workbook will be limited, but in this case we don't mind because we're simply importing a bank statement, and the Excel file will close without affecting the figg file once we've selected the importing of bank statement. So you can just left click on OK. Please select a date range with your mouse to be imported. So we will select the dates for the month of August. Just drag the mouse down just on the dates to the last transaction of August and left click on OK. And the bank statement will then automatically import the date, the supplier and the depositor, and the total of that transaction. The very first time you use the product, you will enter the opening balance of that bank account, which will be the balance just before the transaction of, in this case, the 1st of August. So the 31st of July, the last transaction, the balance of that bank account, you will enter the opening balance, and you will only need to do this the very first month that you use the product. If your particular bank exports your bank statements in a different order to date, supplier and depositor, and total of transaction, you will just need to move your bank statement columns around to get them into this order to import successfully. And you can do that using the cut and insert cut cells in the functionality of your Excel. And you can then import up to 9 bank statements into your cash books as they are listed here. Each time you select a cash book, it will place that bank statement's transactions in the correct cash book of this Excel file. I'm just going to cancel this now. We don't need to import any more bank statements for this purpose. The Find and Replace button is placed here for your convenience because the normal Find and Replace functionality within the normal Excel will not work in the figg products. You will use the Find and Replace button if you wish to use this functionality within the figg products. For example, you may not wish to see AC debit words within your cash books. You can then highlight the entire cash book. Left click on Find and Replace. Find what? You would then type in ACB debit, replace with nothing, and left click on OK. And it will then delete all the ACB debit words in the cash book. I'm going to end tutorial 2 now, once again just to keep the video short enough so that it doesn't take a long time to download, and I will speak to you again in tutorial 3 of the figg licensed integrated product. Ciao for now.